Yes, yes, yes. Lock in. I might be the rank 6 fast foods but not change player in the world. Here we go.
Rank these 6 foods, but you can't change.
Fish and chips is a solid number. Ooh. You know what, chat? I'm going to say it. You might call me crazy for saying this off rip, but you know what? I'm going to go ahead and say my truth. Fish and chips is going number 1. I don't care what comes next. Fish and chips is going number 1 for me. I'll die on that hill. It look, you know, that looks like you would die 3 days after you eat this. Like, if you eat this, it looks like you're going to die 3 days later. You can say cap if you want to, but I'm putting this in 5.
Subscribe, honey.
What? 6. Base M&Ms without the peanut or the peanut butter are genuinely gross. 6! What on this planet am I looking at? That looks like a haircut. Chat, what is this? Chat, what is this? Okay, so 6 and 5 are taken, and so is number 1. So I'm going to put this in 4 because I don't know what it is. That's a bold call for someone who cosplays as an M&M every day. Y'all, I'm about to shut the stream off. I don't cosplay it. Lock in. We got number 3 and 2 left.
Like the video, please, honey.
Poutine. Oh my goodness, I've had poutine once in my life, and it was absolutely delicious. Chat, do I have anything in number 2? No, 2 and 3's open. I'm going to put poutine in 2.
Share the video, please, honey.
Shut up! If orange slices are good, hey buddy, that's the most elementary thing I've ever read. Orange slices are good. Good for you, buddy. That would have went in number 6. If I could go back in time, this would have went. Sushi? I think sushi goes in a solid 3. Chat, I think sushi goes in a solid 3. Why is everybody saying 6? Chat, you have to sophisticate your palate. There's no way you think sushi goes in 6. I'm putting sushi in a solid 3. Queso spread sushi on me. Your name is Boogie Woogie 354. I think I'm good on that. Sushi's going 3. Cookies going 6. I don't like cookies that much.
Stop the cap.
6 for cookies. I've never had lobster. Is it good? Chad, I've never had lobster. Is it good? I put lobster in 4 because I've never had it. Beef? Throw beef in 2. Yeah, go ahead and throw beef in 2, yeah. 5? That doesn't even... Oh my goodness, if there was a slot for 10,000, I would put it there. I would rather be sentenced to death than have to suffer through an avocado. There's literally no way that the people unironically eat these. I think people only eat these to tell their friends about it. Like, oh man, you want some avocado on your salad? Yeah, sure. You only eat avocados to look cool. Oh!
You can change.
Potato chips is a solid 2. Onion rings are a solid 4? Yeah. Grilled corn is a solid 5. I've had grilled corn, chat. I do like corn. Solid 5. 6. Turkey sucks. So does ham. Fight me. 3. What's the last one? You know what? I'm solid for a sandwich at number 1. I'm solid for a sandwich at number 1. All right, chat, one more. Are we ready to do Wii Sports Resort after this? Don't know what a Toblerone is, but it looks like straight chocolate, so I'm good. I'm going to go number 6. Kit Kat, that's a solid 5.
Why don't you subscribe?
We're literally going from the bottom up. That's a solid 4. We're literally going from the bottom up. That's 3. We have went 6, 5, 4, 3. There's only the top 2 left. What is a bounty? I can 100% say with confidence, I have never seen this in my life up until right now. What is this? But I gotta put it in 2 because only 2 and 1's left.
Rank the foods, but you can't change it. And avoid getting eaten by paycheck to paycheck, homeless, poverty-stricken, penny-pinching, whimpering for dimes, scraping for nickels, trashy trailer, low-income, fatty, obese, chubby, one-by-one Lego piece, Twitch streamer.
I'm shutting the broadcast down. How does this get in the Discord? Get this dude out of here! There's no way. Why did that insult go on for so long? That's literally the longest insult I've ever heard. That insult lasted 30 seconds. What was that? I'm about to get naked up in here. Are we serious? I'm going to act like that didn't happen and start the ranking process. Waffles are getting a solid 3 for me. Buffalo wings are number 1. Cheesy Gordita Crunches are going in 2 though. So I got buffalo. I got buffalo wings in 1, cheesy Gordita Crunches in 2, and I got waffles in 3. We already got our top 3. Ooh, orange juice. I love it, so I'm gonna throw it in 4. That's the highest ranking. What's getting 5, chat? Of course you know the name of that item. Buddy, everybody knows the name of a cheesy Gordita Crunch when you see one.
Now finally, the last one.
You know, the insult was cool and all of that, and I wasn't going to ban you for that. But the fact that you threw a salad up on the screen, you're banned from the Discord, and you're banned from the Twitch, and you're blocked on Twitter, and you're blocked on Instagram, Every single social media platform that I am on, you are off of it. You're going to stay the longest, you're going to stay the farthest away from me inhumanly imaginable. I am going to get a 30,000 feet restraining order put against you. And also, you're getting thrown in jail for 25 years. I'll see you in court, buddy. Get him out of here.
I guess Case had an OBCD attack after eating that.
Get him out! What is an OBCD attack? Oh, nah. Chat, what are we doing? Yo. Yo. Come on, man.